My name is Javier Rodriguez and my ID number is 2012-12-980. I'm going to talk to you about different types of modulation systems. First of all, modulation is the shaping of a signal to convey information, and modulation can be used to represent a digital message as an analog waveform. This action is commonly called keying. For example, the Bluetooth includes phase shift keying, frequency keying, and amplitude shift keying to exchange information between various devices. The first type of modulation systems is amplitude modulation, that can be called AM. It's a technique using electronic communication, most commonly for the transmitting information via radio carrier wave. AM works by varying the strength of the transmitted signal in relation to the information being sent. As you can see in the next image, this is the waveform of the AM. Now, frequency modulation, FM. In telecommunications and signal processing, frequency modulation conveys information over a carrier wave by varying its instantaneous frequency. This contrasts with amplitude modulation, in which the amplitude of the carrier is varied while its frequency remains constant. In the next image, this is the waveform of the frequency modulation. And the third one, type of modulation system is called phase modulation, or PM. It's a form of modulation that represents information as variation in the instantaneous phase of the carrier wave. Now you can see the waveform of the phase modulation. And the last one type of modulation is the pulse modulation. The transmission of analog data or speech, which is in continuous form, is known as a pulse modulation. In the last image, you can see all the types of modulation systems that were cupped by an oscilloscope. Thanks.